Select Total Parts Pro Turbo 2015 Mazda BT50 stock number 7014. It's ran from the 10th 2011 to 6th 2020. It's a P5AT 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 4-cylinder 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch factory Omega tyre, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate 1 dent, right rear 16-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 16-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, front kidder slip, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,